A learner conducts an investigation to determine the boiling points of different organic compounds. The data is recorded in the table below. Now, sinama-formula. Mhlambe kungasiza ukuthi sisho ukuthi le formula le yani. Mhlambe sisi-analyze nje kuqala. Le sekuqaleni compound A no carbon aba-4 phakathi nendawo. 1, 2, 3, 4. No CH, no CH. Nakuza ngi-CH2 aba-4. Bese siba no-OH. Okwesibili sino-CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Bese siba no-C, double bond oxygen, hydrogen ngapha. Then structure number C. Number C, we have CH3, CH2, CH2, then C, double bond oxygen, OH. Okay, khumbuleke le kungenzeka i-ester, kungenzeka futhi yes, kungenzeka i-ester, kungenzeka i-carboxylic acid, because i-ester ne-carboxylic acid they have the same molecular formula. But ngeke kube i-ester ngoba inakhuzana. If bekuyi-molecular formula ngeke kube i-ester. Inakhuzana le carboxylic acid ngoba igcina kanje la ekugcineni. Ubona ngalokhu la i-aldehyde le igcina ngo-CHO le bani besinikeza i-molecular formula manje sinikezwa i-molecular formula. Sinikezwa ama-condensed structural formula soku-clear ukuthi le i-carboxylic acid igcina ngo-CO2H carboxylic acid. Then lesekugcineni just an alkane this one. Alkane. Okay, so bekubalulekile ukuthi sazi ukuthi le i-alcohol, aldehyde, angisenayo indawo yokubhala mhlawumbe ngabhala la. Alcohol, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, la alkane. Okay. Now write down the IUPAC name of compound B. Sengidwebile sekulula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentanal. Pentanal. So asisho position ye-functional group ye-aldehyde. It is just pentanal. Okay. Is compound A considered as a primary, secondary, or tertiary alcohol? Nansi functional group yethu. The functional group is bonded. Nansi. Is bonded to one carbon atom. functional group is bonded to one carbon atom. So kuzoba primary alcohol because the functional group is bonded to one carbon atom. Kuzoba isizathu leso. Now bathi the boiling point of compound B, boiling point yakhe is now compared with the boiling point of compound D. B, I'm comparing not D. Is this a fair comparison? Write down yes or no. Refer to the data in the table and give the reason for your answer. So we compare B, B not D, B and D. So mo check lapha the molecular mass iyafana. Yes, it is the fair comparison because they have the same molecular mass. Molecular mass yabo iyalingana. So the comparison is fair. Sebethi-ke, refer to the intermolecular forces. Explain why compound B has a higher boiling point than compound D. Compound B has a higher boiling point than compound D. So asibukeke la sichaze ukuthi why u-B boiling point yakhe i-greater than ekabani eka-D. Okay, into yokuqala kuzofanele sikhulume ngayo la. Sikhulume nge-structure, sikhulume nge-strength, bese sikhuluma nge-energy ukuze sichaze ukuthi why. So masibuka i-structure sika-compound B, we have an alcohol. So kwi-alcohol, what type of intermolecular forces esinawo? Sinama-hydrogen bonds kwi-alcohol. Yes, kwi-alcohol sinama-hydrogen bonds. Laphayana ku-compound D, i-alkane sinama-London forces. So siyasho ukuthi compound A, compound B has hydrogen bonds. No, why ngithi unakhuzana ngiqhathanise no A bese ngithi B. Now we are talking about B and D. I'm sorry. Compound D inakhuzana i-aldehyde. Kwi-aldehyde we have ama-dipole forces. So compound B, i-aldehyde, aldehyde we have London for dipole forces. Compound B has strong dipole forces. Bullet number sakhuluma nge-structure for compound D has weak London forces. Bese sokhuluma nge-strength. So lona ama-dipole forces are strong kunama-London forces. So sesizosho ukuthi compound B has stronger strength, a stronger strength of intermolecular force than compound D. Then energy, so khuluma nge-energy. Lo one-stronger strength of intermolecular forces nguye odinga energy eningi. So uyasho ukuthi compound B need more energy. Akusabhaleki. Compound B need more energy to overcome intermolecular forces than compound D. So no 3 marks wakho. Okay. Another learner investigate the vapor pressure of compounds in the table. There's one definition. Which compound, A or C, has the highest vapor pressure? So yiphi compound ezoba the highest vapor pressure between compound A no compound C? Compound A une-boiling point enkulu. Compound C, okay, compound C nguye one-boiling point enkulu kakhulu kuno-compound A. Okay. Boiling point ka-compound A, 138. Compound C, 164. So i-boiling point ka-compound C inkulu kuneya-compound A. So compound A, since ene-boiling point encane, uzoba ne-vapor pressure enkulu. Lento kanje, say BM V. U-V uhamba yedwa. Boiling point yaba nkulu, ne-melting point izoba nkulu, i-vapor pressure izoba ncane. So i-boiling point yabancane, melting point izoba ncane, vapor pressure enkulu. So masibuka la, loya une-boiling point encane, which means une-vapor pressure enkulu. Ngobe kuza isizathu that because it has the lowest boiling point, it will have the highest vapor pressure. Ukhumbule bangakubuza kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi why compound C a higher boiling point than compound A. Ezinye izinto esingakhuluma ngazo lezo. Singakhuluma nge-structure, sikhulume nge-strength, sikhulume nge-energy. Okay. So lapha no compound A i-alcohol, compound C i-carboxylic acid. So la ekuqaleni uzosho ukuthi compound A, both compound A and compound C have hydrogen bonds. But compound C, since compound C, a carboxylic acid, has 2 sides for hydrogen bonds. Now umehluko, bobabili banama-hydrogen bonds, but compound C has 2 sides of hydrogen bonding. Iphuzu lakho lokuqala lelo. Elesibili, lo onama-2 sides of hydrogen bonds has stronger strength of intermolecular forces. Bese kuthi-ke ucarboxylic acid ngoba unama-stronger strength of intermolecular forces usedinga more energy to overcome intermolecular forces. Compound C need more energy to overcome those intermolecular forces. Bangakubuza futhi ngalokho. Bakujwayele.